Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how do we build a chatbot. So I welcome you all to this upGrad Learning Support Center YouTube channel, where we are going to learn lots of interesting things. In this video, we are going to see how do we build a chatbot. So have you ever chatted with a bot on a website and wondered how did they build that? Well, today you are going to find out, and more importantly, you are going to build one yourself. My name is Vipul, and in this video, I'll walk you through everything from what a chatbot actually is to writing your very first working chatbot code. No prior experience needed. Let us go. So, what is chatbot? So, what exactly is chatbot? A chatbot is a computer program that can have a conversation with you, like texting a friend, except the other side is automated software, not a person. You're already you already use chatbots every day, maybe without even realizing it. Siri on your phone, that's a chatbot. Pop-up assistants on a shopping website, chatbot. ChatGPT, a very advanced chatbot. Three types of chatbots. First is rule-based bots. Follows fixed script. If you say X, they respond with Y. Simple but limited. Then we have AI-powered bots. Use machine learning to understand context and generate smart replies. Hybrid bots, a mix of both. Rules for common questions, AI for complex ones. For this video, we'll build a rule-based bot first. It's a perfect foundation. Once you understand the basics, upgrading to AI is just a few extra steps. Slide number 3, how chatbot work. So let's peek inside a chatbot and see what is actually happening. Each conversation follows a simple three-step loop. First one is user input. The user types something, a question, a greeting, and a request. Step 2 is processing. The chatbot reads that input and figures out what the user want. This is called as understanding intent. Step 3 is response. The chatbot generates a reply and send it back to the user. Then that loop starts all over again and with the next message. It is simple, right? At its core, a chatbot is just listen, think, and reply. Even the most advanced AI chatbot follow the same exact pattern. So tools you will need. Before we write any code, let's make sure you have the right tools. And the good news is everything here is completely free. Must have tools is Python, the programming language we'll use. Go to python.org, download the latest version. It is free and takes about 2 minutes to install. We have Google Colab, a free online notebook where you can write, run code. No installation is needed. Just go to colab.research.google.com and sign in with Google. This is the easiest option for beginners. You have Hugging Face or OpenAI API. This lets you plug in powerful AI models. Don't worry about this for now. We'll come back to them once you are comfortable with the basics. Got your tools ready? Perfect. Let us actually build this thing. Slide 5, you have to build your chatbot. 5 steps. The roadmap is step number 1, set up your environment, open Google Colab and create a new notebook. Name it as my first chatbot. Step number 2, define your bot's purpose. Every good chatbot solves a specific problem. Is yours going to answer frequently asked questions? Be a fun assistant, help customers. Decide this first. Write down 5 to 10 questions your bot should be able to answer. Choose your approach. We'll start with rule based, matching keywords to responses. Later, you can level up to AI. Step number 4, you have to write the code. This is the fun part. We'll code the conversation loop together. It is less than 20 lines. Step number 5, test and improve. Chat with your bot, find what breaks, fix it. That is literally what professional developers do every day. Then we have slide 6, that is your first chatbot code. All right, so let us write some code. Open up Google Colab. If you want to follow along, I'm going to type this step out step by step. Don't worry if it looks unfamiliar. I'll explain every single line. So you have to define chatbot, you have to give user input. This creates a function, basically a mini program that we can call over and over. User underscore input dot lower. This converts everything to lowercase. So hello in single quotes with H capital and small in single quotes hello small hello both match the same rule. If else, these are conditions. If user says this, respond with that. The else is our safety net when nothing matches. You have to return this, send the response back to whoever called the function. You see that, right? We just ran it and it works. Type hello, it respond. Type bye, it says goodbye. Now here is your homework. Add 3 more responses through this chatbot. The link to copy this code is in the description below. Common mistakes to avoid. I made all these mistakes when I was learning. Let me save you some frustration. Skipping testing. Always test each after every small change you have to test it. If you wait until the end, debugging becomes a nightmare. Building too complex too soon. Start with just 5 responses, get those working perfectly, then add more. Not handling typos. Users will type hello, HELO instead of HELLO, and then use dot lower, look up fuzzy matching libraries later. And forgetting edge cases, always have a default responses, something like sorry, I did not understand that. Can you rephrase? Without this, your bot will go silent and confuse users. So what is next? So the next, once you have built your first bot, learn NLP, natural language processing helps your bot understand meaning, not just keywords. Try Hugging Face, free pre-trained models you can plug in with just a few lines of code. Deploy it, put your chatbot on a real websites using Streamlit or Flask. My next video covers exactly this. Connects to messaging app, hook it up to WhatsApp, Telegram or Slack, add memory, make your bot remember what was said earlier in this conversation. And last but not the least, that is your beginner's guide to building a chatbot. You went from knowing nothing to actually having actual working code in under 15 minutes. That is something to be proud of. If this helped you, drop a like. It genuinely helps more beginners find this video. And if you have questions, drop them in the comment below. I read every single one. Subscribe if you want to see part 2, where we give this chatbot an AI brain using an OpenAI API. Until next time, keep building. See you soon. Thank you, everyone, and happy learning. Bye.